Hello students, how are you? Hope you are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to online classes. This side Ritu Yadav representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Today I am here to teach you Maths Chapter 10 Measurement. Students, we have already studied how to measure length and weight. Okay? Longer length measured in meter and shorter length measured in centimeter. Same way, weight, heavy weights measured in kg means kilogram and light weight measured in gram. Okay student, so today I will teach you how to measure capacity. So take out your book and open page number 183. Measuring capacity. So let's see with the help of example. I am having a water bottle, filled water bottle and a glass. Okay, I'll pour this water in a glass. So we can see a glass is full of water and still some water is left in this bottle. So we can say capacity of bottle is more than a glass. Or we can say a glass can hold less water than a water bottle. Okay, I'll explain you one more example. I am having a cup of tea and a spoon. I'll take this tea. Now you can see a spoon can hold only this much of tea. Okay, so we can say a cup can hold more tea than a spoon, or a spoon can hold less tea than a cup. And students, keep one thing in mind, milliliter is used to measure small capacity, okay, like this spoon, and liter is used to measure large capacity like this water bottle. Okay, milliliter is smaller than liter. 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter, right? So students, open page number 185, addition and subtraction of capacity. Okay, so look at the board. Here it is liter and here milliliter. 5 liter 312 milliliter, 4 liter 532 milliliter. Here we have to add these numbers. Now you can see 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 plus 5 is 8. Now here 5 plus 4 is 9. So we get 9 liter 844 milliliter. One more, liter milliliter. 7 liter 350 milliliter, 4 liter 165 milliliter. Here we have to subtract 4 liter 165 milliliter from 7 liter 350 milliliter. Okay, so let's see. We'll start from this side. 0 minus 5. It is not possible to subtract 5 from 0. So we'll borrow 1 from 5. So this 0 becomes 10 and this 5 becomes 4. Now 10 minus 5 is, count after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. Next 4 minus 6. Again it is not possible to subtract 6 from 4. So we'll borrow 1 from 3. Now this 4 becomes 14 and this 3 becomes 2. 14 minus 6. Count after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8. 14 minus 6 is 8. Now 2 minus 1 is 1. Here 7 minus 4. Count after 4. 5, 6, 7. So 3. So we get 3 liter 185 milliliter. Now let's see bookwork of this chapter. So students, open page number 174. Tony, the carpenter, wants to make a toy car. Find the dimensions of the car and write them in the table given below. So this is a boy named Tony. He is a carpenter and he has to make a toy car. Okay, as you can see. So some dimensions of the car given here and we have to identify these dimensions. Okay, A is about dash paper clips long. Okay, so here you can see this is A and we have to measure this part from here to here with paper clip. This is a paper clip. Okay, so we can say A is about 6 paper clips long. B is about dash digits long. So what is digit? This is digit. So B is about 3 digits long. C, this one. C is about 4 digits long. D is about 10 erasers long. E is about 4 digits long. F is about 3 digits long. So these are the dimensions of this toy car. Now move to next question. Question number 1. Write M for things which are more than a meter and cm for things which are more than a centimeter. Okay, M for meter and cm for centimeter. As you know, meter is used to measure long lengths and centimeter is used to measure small length. Now see A. This is notepad. So notepad will be measured in centimeter. Next, this is a box. Box will be measured in centimeter. This is a pitch. Now you can see this is a cricket pitch. It is very long. So we will measure this cricket pitch in meter. So we will write here M. Next is this is a school bus. So this will be measured in meter. This is a building. Building is also measured in meter because it has also long length. Next one, cup. Cup is measured in centimeter. So we will write here cm. Now move to next question. Our next question is, using the ruler drawn, find the length of the given object. Right? This is a ruler and we have to find the length of this object. This is a crayon, right? So you can see this crayon is 7 centimeter long, right? So we will write here 7. Next, this is a sharpener. Now you can see this is 2 centimeter long. So we will write here 2 centimeter. Next, see, this is a picture of needle. Right? Now see the length of this needle. This is 5 centimeter long. Eraser. Eraser is 2 centimeter long. So we will write here 2. Now come to next question. Third, fill in the boxes. So let us see this question on board. Question number 3. Page number 177. Okay, in this we have to fill in the boxes. Here we have given 7 meter is equals to dash box and centimeter. As I have already explained you that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So we can say 7 meter is equals to 700 centimeter, right? Now see the F1. This is A, now F. Your F question is meter is equals to 900 centimeter, right? Now same like this, 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. So here 900 centimeter is equals to 9 meter. So we can say 9 meter is equals to 900 centimeter. Now see question number 4. Page number 178. Question number 4 is solve these. So see A1 meter centimeter. Here 83 meter 10 centimeter, 62 meter 30 centimeter. Add. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. 8 plus 6 is 14. So 145 meter 40 centimeter. Now we'll see H1 meter centimeter. Right? Here it's 141 meter 83 centimeter and 49 meter 96 centimeter, right? Here we have to subtract. Now it is not possible to subtract 6 from 3, so we will borrow 1 from 8. Now this 3 becomes 13 and this 8 becomes 7, right? Now 13 minus 6 is 7. Again it is not possible to subtract 9 from 7, so we will borrow 1 from here. This 7 becomes 17, this 1 becomes 0. Now 17 minus 9 is 8. Again we will borrow 1 from 4, so this 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 3, it is not possible to subtract 4 from 3. Again we will borrow 1. This 1 will become 0 and this will become 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. So our answer is 91 meter 87 centimeter. Now see question number 5. Here write G for objects that are more than a gram and kg for objects that are more than a kilogram. As we know, we measure light things in gram and heavy things in kilogram. So you can see this is a picture of knife. Knife has light weight, so this will be measured in gram. So we will write here G. Sack of rice, this is heavy, so it will be measured in kilogram, kg. Next, box of fruit, kg. Burger, G means gram because it has light weight. Next, cupcake, this will also be measured in gram. This is a picture of a car, it has heavy weight, so this will be measured in kg, right? Now move to next question. Our next question is number 6. Look at the weight of the objects, then put greater than or less than in the box. Okay. As you can see, first here box has 100 gram weight and this is a cake. Cake is of 500 gram. Now you can see which one is greater. 500 gram is greater than 100 gram. Next, D. This is 1 kg and this is 100 gram. You know 1 kg is more than 100 gram. So 1 kg is greater than 100 gram, right? Now move to next question. We will see this question on board. Question number 7. Question 7 is 3 kg 530 gram, 5 kg 265 gram. Okay, we have to add these numbers. 0 plus 5 is 5. 3 plus 6 is 9. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 3 is 8. So our answer is 8 kg 795 gram. Next question is F. 73 kg 195 gram, 28 kg 73 gram. Right? Here we have to subtract these numbers. Now you can see 5 minus 3 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. Again here it is not possible to subtract 8 from 3, so we will borrow from here. This 3 becomes 13 and this 7 becomes 6. So 13 minus 8 is 5 and 6 minus 2 is 4. So our answer is 45 kg 122 gram. Now see question number 8. Our question number 8 is choose the correct option. 1 kg is equals to dash gram. Okay, as we know 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. So see here 10, 100, 1000, 1. So our correct answer is number 3, 1000. 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. Next, 700 gram plus 150 gram. So 700 gram plus 150 gram is 850 gram. So our correct answer is 1, 850 gram. Third, 4 kg 260 gram minus 2 kg 130 gram is equals to dash 2 kg 150 gram, 2 kg 130 gram, 1 kg 150 gram, 1 kg 180 gram. So our answer is number 2, 2 kg 130 gram. Now next question 9. Check the container that has more capacity. Okay, here we have to see which container has more capacity, right? We have to tick that container. This is 200 milliliter, this is 500 milliliter and this is 300 milliliter. So you can see that 500 milliliter has more capacity, right? B. 300 milliliter, 1 liter, 2 liter. Now here you can see 2 liter has more capacity than these two. So we will take this one. C. 600 milliliter, 100 milliliter and 250 milliliter. Here 600 milliliter has more capacity. So we will take this one. Next, read the scale carefully and write how much water is there in each jar. Here we have 3 jars and we have to scale that how much quantity is there in each jar, right? As you can see, the level of first jar is 200 milliliter. So we will write here 200. In this, the level of this liquid is at 350. So we will write here 350 milliliter. Next, this is 500 milliliter. Now, next question is question 11. So let's see this question on board. Page number 186. Question number 11. A. So 11th A is 4 liter 615 milliliter, 2 liter 250 milliliter, right? We have to add these numbers. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. And 4 plus 2 is 6. So our answer is 6 liter 865 milliliter, right? Now see the next one. This is H. 468 liter 143 milliliter, 87 liter 105 milliliter, right? Here we have to subtract these numbers. 3 minus 5 not possible, so we will borrow 1 from here. So this 3 becomes 13 and this 4 becomes 3. Now 13 minus 5 is 8, right? 3 minus 0 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. 8 minus 7 is 1. Again it is not possible to subtract 8 from 6, so we will borrow 1 from here. This 6 becomes 16 and 4 becomes 3. Now 16 minus 8 is 8. No number is here to subtract, so we will copy this as it is, 3. So our answer is 381 liter and 38 milliliter, right? Now let's move to copywork of this chapter. Chapter 10, measurement length, right? Fill in the blanks. A. Dash tells us how long an object is. So it is length, L-E-N-G-T-H, right? B. We use a dash or a dash to measure length of an object. So what is it? It is meter tape or meter scale. M-E-T-R-E meter, T-A-P-E tape, M-E-T-R-E meter, S-C-A-L-E scale. Next, C. Dash is used for measuring bigger length. So as we have studied, bigger lengths are measured in meter. M-E-T-R-E meter. Next, dash is used for measuring smaller length. Now, smaller lengths are measured in centimeter. So, we will write here C-E-N-T-I-M-E-T-R-E, centimeter. Next, in short we denote centimeter by, I have explained you na, centimeter can be written as cm, right? Meter by m. 100 centimeter is equals to how much? It is 1 meter. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. And the last one is 1 meter is equals to dash. So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Now next, weight. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. A. We weigh a thing to know how heavy or light it is. It is called its dash. So what we called it when we weigh a thing? It is weight. W-E-I-G-H-T. Weight. B. Weight is measured first by using. So how we measured weight? We measured weight by objects or standard weights or balance, right? So here first one is by using objects. O-B-J-E-C-T-S, objects. Next, by using standard weights and weighing machine. You must have seen weighing machine, right? So, S-T-A-N-D-A-R-D, standard. W-E-I-G-H-T-S, weights. W-E-I-G-H-I-N-G, weighing. M-A-C-H-I-N-E-S, machines. So, standard weights and weighing machines. Next is the standard unit of weight is gram and dash. So, you know what are the standard units of weight? Weights can be measured in gram or kilogram, right? Gram is used to measure small capacity, small weight, and kilogram is used to measure heavy weights. So, gram and kilogram, K-I-L-O-G-R-A-M, kilogram. Next, in short, we denote again gram by. So, how we write gram in short? We write G as gram, right? Kilogram by kg. Now, 1000 gram is equals to dash and 1 kilogram is equals to dash. You know 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram and 1000 gram is equals to 1 kilogram. So we will write here 1 kg and here 1000 gram. Right? Now next is capacity. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. A. Dash is the amount of any liquid that a container can hold. So if we want to calculate the amount of any liquid in a container, we use capacity, right? C-A-P-A-C-I-T-Y, capacity. Next, the standard unit of capacity is dash and dash. So we measure capacity in milliliter and liter. Milliliter is used to measure small capacity and liter is used to measure large capacity, right? So we will write here milliliter and liter. M-I-L-L-I-L-I-T-R-E, milliliter, L-I-T-R-E, liter. Next, we measure small capacity in. Just now I have explained you, small capacity is measured in milliliter and large capacity is measured in liter. Next, in short, we denote milliliter by ml, right? We write ml for milliliter and L for liter. 1000 milliliter is equals to dash and 1 liter is equals to dash. Again, we know 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter and 1000 milliliter is equals to 1 liter. So we will write here 1 liter and here 1000 milliliter. Hope you understood this chapter. So complete your book work and copy work neatly. Thank you.